know the rest of the story because I'm in daily contact with my customers. And after all, they're the best judge of the products I sell. Of course, tastes vary. Otherwise, I wouldn't carry so many different makes of goods. But one thing at least they all agree on, and that is, in these days of meat shortage, OXO is more valuable than ever in the daily diet, both for a beverage and for making meaty meals. You know, it's becoming quite a habit with many of my customers to take their change in OXO cubes, just like you. After all, considering how little they cost, I still think they're the best value for money in the shop.
Well, now I know more about them, I couldn't agree more. In fact, I think I'll take another 6 cubes while I'm at it.
Will you?
You know, it's rather wonderful to think of all those cattle, and the way all that strength and goodness can be concentrated into such a handy cube.
I quite agree, madam. There's nothing like OXO for making a tasty drink. And it certainly adds richness to any dish. It tastes good, and what's more, it is good.